Hello, my name is Jeremie. I am 6 years old. Welcome to my channel. Today's project is a glow-in-the-dark jar with a unicorn on top. First, I'm gonna attach the unicorn on the lid. Now I'm gonna put some clear glue on the lid. Put the fairy on top, the unicorn. Now I'm gonna put the glitter on. Now I'm gonna put this cover in the sun to dry. First I'm gonna work with the blue paint. Pouring some of this baby. My mom just told me to stop. I'm gonna start dot, dot, dot in the jar. Now I am gonna add pink. I'm going to add some pink. Now I'm finished adding the dots. Now we're going to put our jar in the sun to dry. Oh wow, it glows so bright. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.